walking into a hospital and the doctor diagnosing you is not a human but a machine. Or imagine calling customer service and realizing every voice you hear is artificial. Or imagine graduating from university only to discover that the job that you studied for is now being done by a computer. It sounds like science fiction, but in many ways it is already happening. Good morning, respected judges, honorable principals, vice principals, and dear fellow contestants. My name is Sarish Imran and I'm a student at the Camtop International School. Today I will explore a question that will shape the future of our generation. Will artificial intelligence take over humans' jobs in the future? So, artificial intelligence is developing faster than any technology in history. It can write essays, compose music, analyze medical data, generate images, and even drive cars. Because of these powerful abilities, many people believe that AI will eventually take over many roles that humans perform today. So let's go over the first 3 reasons why AI may be able to replace human jobs. First, AI can work faster and more efficiently than humans. Unlike humans, machines do not get tired, distracted, or emotional. They can operate 24 hours a day without breaks. In factories around the world, robots already assemble parts of cars and other electronics faster than human workers ever could. AI can also analyze huge amounts of data in seconds, a task that might take humans days to complete. Because businesses aim to increase productivity, many businesses see automation as a powerful solution. In fact, research from Harvard Business School shows that since the launch of advanced AI, job postings for roles involving repetitive tasks have dropped by 13%, while jobs involving analytical and skills have actually grown. So this proves that AI is already reshaping the job market by replacing routine work. Second, AI is becoming capable of performing complex tasks that once required human intelligence to do so. In the past, machines mostly replaced physical labor, but today AI is entering fields that require decision-making and thinking. For example, AI can now help doctors review legal reports and detect diseases earlier. AI can also now review legal documents, make reports, and assist with computer programming. As this technology begins to improve, the jobs that once seemed to be safe may begin to change as well. Third, AI can reduce costs for companies. Employing human workers requires salaries, benefits, and training, while machines once developed mostly require maintenance and electricity. This can save transportation companies a lot of money. For example, if self-driving technology becomes reliable enough, transportation companies may start to replace human drivers with machines. From a business perspective, the financial motivation to automate is extremely powerful. However, despite these advantages, AI may not still be able to replace humans. According to experts at the United Nations in Geneva, most roles require uniquely human skills that most AI cannot replicate. The UN emphasizes that education is fundamentally a human and social experience. Teachers inspire students and adapt lessons with emotional intelligence that no algorithm can match. Similarly, the UN argues that humans must always retain control over decisions involving ethics, judgment, and human rights, because AI lacks compassion and moral reasoning. Another important reason AI may not be able to replace humans is because most roles require human empathy, emotion, and creativity. AI can assist with computer programming but cannot manage real human emotions. Teachers inspire students, leaders motivate others, and therapists support people through difficult times. These qualities come from real human connections and emotional intelligence. These qualities cannot be replicated by artificial intelligence. While we're on this topic, while we're talking about art and creativity, this becomes even more impressive when we talk about art and creativity. Today, AI can make art, digital drawings, and generate images. Some systems can even recreate artistic styles and can make music in seconds. But even if they can create something beautiful, what what happens when art means that it is from human emotions and human experience. It erases the whole point of art. Another reason is that many businesses require emotional intelligence and connections, so that even if AI can assist with computer programming, it cannot do real jobs. Most businesses make new jobs, and according to experts at the Harvard Business School, since the launch of advanced AI tools, job postings for repetitive roles have decreased, while demand for jobs that require analytical and technical and creative skills actually grew. So this solely proves that rather than solely eliminating jobs, AI is creating demand for jobs that require analytical and technical thinking so that it can assist with computer programming with AI. So in the future, it might be possible that people who have a better experience with working with AI will be able to work and have a better chance in the future workforce. So in conclusion, AI will be able to have the potential to replace humans because it can work faster, it can perform complex tasks and reduce costs for companies. But however, humans remain unique in their own creativity and empathy and ability to adapt. Even if AI can assist with computer programming, it cannot replicate real human connections, which is what happens in the real world. So, in conclusion, the question is not that whether AI will replace us, but how we can prepare to work alongside it. This is the end of my speech. Thank you all so much for paying attention.
The Camp Top International School is the best place for your child's education.